Guys, Gears and Grit here, and we have been monetized for a little over 90 days now. Can you believe it?
90 days. I actually cannot believe it.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Crazy that it's been 90 days, but then also crazy how long it's taken us to get there. But I'm the analytics guy, so I look into all the analytics. It's a little bit of an obsession for me. You're just like the pretty guy on camera, right?
You've got that backwards, except you do both of those.
No, right. So here's the fun thing. Because we co-run this YouTube channel, I'm going to break down some analytics that I've been looking at for a very long time for our viewers to show you what it looks like to be monetized for 90 days. And then you get to see some of his first reactions. Some of these you might know, but I think a vast majority of them you're going to be shocked by.
You are likely far overestimating what you think I know in this regard.
And to help illustrate that, I had you write down some of your guesses for two things here.
Yes.
So there's money on the line. For everyone you get wrong,
You didn't tell me that before I guessed.
Well,
Okay.
I get $1 for everyone you get wrong, and we'll store it.
Wait. If I get it right, what do I get?
I'll give you $1 back, but like, what are the odds? I'll put it in this upside down bottle there. So one of the first ones I had you ask, and we'll figure this out as we go along, but I had asked you total lifetime earnings within $5. I don't expect you to get it right on. And then total lifetime views within 50,000 views.
Hold on, but
so I'm sorry, let me clarify. Within 50,000 views, we got more than 50,000 views. So
I didn't think we had
range.
more. So I didn't think we had more than 50,000.
Well, I'll let you re-guess if you want to.
Okay, does this include shorts?
It does include shorts. Yeah.
I don't know. 200,000.
200,000.
200,000.
Okay. So we'll see later how close he got.
Okay, if it's more than 200,000, I'm genuinely shocked.
And there's a couple other bets here that I haven't given you yet, but we'll look into it. Let's go ahead and get into the actual analytics of what it looks like to be a channel that's been monetized for 90 days. Also, if you're already subscribed, if you're one of our 2,799 subscribers, which consider just go ahead and subscribe and make that 2,800, or 201 people subscribe and make it. You know what's
going to happen is like somebody's going to go to 2,800 and they're going to be like, no, they wanted 2,800, and then somebody will unsubscribe.
Don't do that.
To keep
only
to
subscribe.
Keep the level.
Don't unsubscribe.
Okay, only subscribe. Don't unsubscribe. Okay.
Yes, but if you're one of those 2,799 subscribers, you have probably seen our other videos. You definitely have seen our other videos. This isn't what we typically do, but I kind of like to just, I don't know.
I kind of like to take a look at what the journey is, where the journey has brought us so far.
That's what I meant to say.
Something like that.
I'm just going to leave that whole clip in there.
Just freeze. Just freeze and then say it.
Yeah.
We'll edit
so we're going to go ahead and get into this next set of analytics. Don't look at the computer yet. Okay,
I'm not looking.
So this is going to be the last 28 days, okay? So this is total views before videos and shorts, between long-form videos and shorts, and then we'll also look at subscribers and estimated revenue for the last 28 days. So first, guess how many views we got between videos and shorts in the past 28 days.
I mean, if it's more than 30,000, I will be shocked.
Okay, and subscribers, how many, you think?
How many added?
How many added, yes.
Oh, in the last 28 days?
28 days.
50.
Okay. And then estimated revenue for the past 28 days.
If it's more than $1, I'm happy.
Okay.
Because this is a passion project that you encouraged us to take on, and I'm very much behind. So the goal is always to have fun. So as long as we're having fun, we're winning.
Okay. But $1.
No,
That's
it's been more
good.
than, surely it's more than $1.
Yeah.
$50.
Okay.
$50.
Let's go ahead and look. We are underperforming in views from your standard. We're at 26.4K.
That's a lot.
Videos and shorts, that's a good amount. Yeah. And then 62 subscribers, so an additional 12. And then 5382.
What did I say?
Pretty good. You said 50.
Let's go!
Yeah, you said 50, so that's great. And I don't, dude, did we just get a subscriber? It's
somebody,
2,800 right now.
Somebody was watching this
Someone
video.
knew before we even posted it.
Yes.
That's great. So, okay, look away again.
Okay.
now we're at the 90-day mark, okay?
Okay.
This is actually kind of shocking to me. How many views in the past 90 days, shorts and long form?
So we had 26,000 the past
Yeah.
28 days. I mean, 75,000.
Okay. And then subscribers, we had 52, I think, 62.
Well, that helps me.
28 days.
So it's going to be more than that.
Yes.
I will say 150
Okay. And then estimated revenue.
for the last 3
The
days.
last 3
$150.
$150. Okay. So,
Can I
go
look?
ahead and look.
Okay.
Only 57.2K views. But then somehow we
what?
kept on track with $156.38.
Okay. I was 12 subscribers off.
That's 3 months. Yeah, you were. Yeah.
All right.
So we have posted a lot more shorts and videos. It's kind of included a time where I was off because I was getting a house, having a kid. So we had slowed
important
down in
things.
the first 2 months of the 90 days, and then we picked it back up.
That's awesome.
But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with all of that. Now,
Okay. Do I need to not
oh
look
yeah,
again?
don't look.
Okay.
Don't look. Okay, we're gonna take a brief pause. One of the bets that we had here, that I have written down here, is that I don't think that you can pick out 3 of our top 5 performing videos. I don't think you can pick out 3
Top
of the
performing
top
in watch time
in
or
views.
views?
In views.
You don't think I could pick out 3 of the 5?
I don't think you can.
Are you gonna like read me the titles of the
I'll
videos?
show.
How does
I've got
this
the
work?
thumbnail and I got the titles. There's 5 to choose from. Only 3 of them are in our top 5.
So I get to look at this.
You get to look at them.
Oh, 100%
and
I'm
pick
getting
it out.
this.
Okay.
Oh, 100% I'm getting this. Okay.
So go ahead.
Okay.
3 of those are our top performing videos.
Okay, this is harder than I thought. Best used motorcycles under 2,500.
Yes.
Aprilia.
Okay.
Last one's hard. Rarest bike.
Okay, you got 2. You got
Dang
2 out of
it!
3.
Okay.
Yeah,
I was
top 5. That's our
overconfident.
best performing one
Wow,
by far,
okay.
which I'm sure you knew.
Yeah.
That is our 4th best performing one. Shockingly, that was like one of it. May have been like the second video we posted.
Wow.
And then it was Mods That Matter.
Really?
Yeah. It's been doing really good.
Wow.
Regular views.
Yeah,
But
check that video out. Mods that
Yeah.
matter.
we'll hop into it.
Turns out
But
mods do matter.
Then we'll just go through this real quick. But this is the past 90 days, and this is only videos, not shorts. So in the
Okay.
past 90 days, we've gotten 24,000 video views, 1,734 watch time hours, 108 subscribers from the long form videos, and then basically all of our revenue, $153 was from.
We made
And basically
$60.
these 2, just those 2.
We made
videos.
$60.
Yeah.
Why did-
$60 for 8,000.
We made
views and
$120 for these 2 videos, but we didn't make anything for these. Why? Why are we making other videos? Why don't we just make those videos?
We'll just keep making those.
You're in
ones
charge of this
over and
whole
over.
operation, sir.
Gotta just keep trying, you know? Okay, and then let's go ahead to this next one. I think look away.
Okay.
I don't want you to see this.
Look it away.
Okay, yeah, these are the lifetime views. Don't look, okay?
Okay.
So this is one of the bets that you made here, and it was how many. It's one of the bets you made here.
Okay.
It was total lifetime views, and you changed your written answer here. You had guessed 200,000 views. Do you want
Yes.
to change that, knowing that the amount of views we've gotten in the past 90 days?
Oh, I've already forgotten what that number was.
So your original answer was 200. Do you want to change it? 200,000.
I don't remember what the 90-day answer was.
Okay. Well, that's your own fault.
I'm going to go 500,000.
Okay.
No. More specific. 537,251.
Wow, that is actually really
Just came
impressive
to me.
that you got it that wrong. We're at 807,000.
Oh, dang.
So an extra 250.
That's
So that's $1
insane.
for me. Actually, $2 because you
Wow.
got the 3 of the top 5.
Oh, your
wrong.
money again.
And then we actually got monetized about 4 months ago.
Okay.
We're a little behind the ball here. So we've in total made $200.31, and then obviously 2.8 thousand subscribers.
Crazy.
Yeah, and then it looks like we've got one last analytics here to look at.
Do I need to look by the way?
Oh, this is just shorts in the last 90 days.
Nice.
Just shorts. So like we said, we ramped up how many shorts we started doing. These are all the ones that have just steadily gotten videos or views here. But in the past 90 days, about 33,000 views from just shorts alone.
Wow.
And then 33 subscribers, but only $3. $3 from shorts. Are they worth it? I don't know, but they're fun. They're fun as hell.
They are fun. I like making them.
My favorite. But do you have any takeaways? I've been looking and obsessing over these analytics for like the past.
I have a big takeaway.
2 years almost.
That's crazy.
August 30th.
That's actually insane.
Is 2 years of doing YouTube videos, and we have barely made any progress.
No, that's huge progress.
Yeah.
I think it's huge progress. I mean, there's guys that have been doing YouTube for 4 and 5 years and aren't, making it. So, but no, I think it's just been a lot of fun, and I'm excited to see as you dive into this, what will come about. I do have a strategic suggestion.
Okay.
Listen close, okay? Let's make videos that make more money rather than making videos that don't make money.
That's a good
Write that down, folks, at home. Yep. So that's my biggest takeaway.
Great.
Yeah.
I got one last bet here for you.
Okay.
This is a future bet, okay? Like I said, August 30th is our 2-year anniversary of YouTube.
Okay.
How many subscribers do you think we will have by August 30th? Keep in mind that we're going to have now 200 people subscribe after this video.
Man, I want us to have over 10,000.
Yeah?
That's what I want. I don't know if we'll have that, but I feel like that's where we need to be.
That's an epic goal.
Yes.
For in the next 2 months, basically.
Yes.
So
it's easy for me to say that because you're in charge. You're steering the ship here.
Yeah.
I'm along for the ride.
Okay.
This is awesome. No,
remember $1's on the line.
How much?
$1.
I'll wager $1.
Okay.
I'll wager $1. Yeah. Double or nothing. I don't know if that applies in this context, but people in movies who bet say it. Okay. So we'll say it here.
Okay.
So
cool.
Yeah. Awesome.
Great. So my key takeaway
is
as long as you're having fun, like you said earlier, actually, as long as you're having fun and just enjoying trying to make better videos and make videos that people enjoy and actually want to watch. This is not all of our content is what I thought we were going to be making 2 years ago, but it's kind of altered and shifted around. And I've really enjoyed where we have gotten to at this point in the videos that we're producing.
Yeah, so I'm honestly just so impressed with just the huge different variety of things that we've tried. And I think that's all part of the adventure. If you're on your own YouTube journey, if you keep that in mind, this isn't a up and to the right, everything just gets better and better every single minute. It's no, it's an adventure. You try some things out and it goes well. You try some other things and it kind of sucks, and you keep moving forward, and you take away what you can, whether that's through analytics or just having fun, enjoying it. I think some of the best the best videos that we've made and the most fun we've had shooting and editing them, those two things combined have made us $0. It genuinely feels like sometimes you just put in all the effort and have all the fun, and it's a great idea, and it just doesn't take off. But it's part of the adventure. Yeah, part of the journey.
That's what I like about it. I like just continually getting better, and then not taking ourselves too seriously.
Yeah, for sure.
We've had some pretty bad audio in the past few videos. Turns out, I'm new to this. Okay, I didn't go to college for video editing and audio. Turns out you're supposed to update your mics here. So we were filming with these mics for 3 months.
And they sucked.
With no update.
They sucked. And it's a $300 set of mics, and it's they sucked.
But I updated it, and hopefully it sounds better.
And they're better.
So they are better, yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Cool.
So, okay.
Right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
If y'all like motorcycles, if y'all like just seeing two guys mess around, not take each other seriously, this is the channel. Go ahead and subscribe.
Yeah. Take care.